This is the National Weather Service Office in Jacksonville. The preceding alarm tone was a test of the public warning system on NOAA weather radio station West XJ28 in Jesup. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a possibility of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following Georgia counties: Essex, Macon, Brantley, Long, Liberty, McIntosh, Pierce, Hamel, and Wayne. In addition to the regular tone alarm, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning device called ZANE that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal warning tone, which alerts all alarmable NOAA weather radios in range of this broadcast, ZANE allows people with ASANE-equipped weather radio to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. For more information regarding NOAA weather radio, contact the National Weather Service at 13701 Fang Drive, Jacksonville, Florida, 32218, or call 904-741-4370. You can also visit our website at weather.gov/JAX. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio station West XJ28. The forecast for southeast Georgia this afternoon: sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts to 20 knots. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio all hazard station KEC 85 public warning system. This test is conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Beaufort, Bryan, Bullock, Chatham, Effingham, Jasper, Liberty, and Screven. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA weather radio all hazards station KEC 85 by the National Weather Service Office in Charleston, South Carolina. Synopsis for the coastal waters of South Coastal South Carolina and North Coastal Georgia. High pressure will prevail through today. A cold front will move through Thursday night, then